Delicious orange cinnamon coffee recipe, easy DIY. Elevate your morning routine with this flavorful orange cinnamon coffee recipe. In this video, we'll show you how to create a tantalizing brew that combines the zest of orange with the warmth of cinnamon, resulting in a delightful and aromatic cup of coffee. Let's get brewing. Ingredients: 1 cup of freshly brewed coffee, 1 orange, 1 cinnamon stick, 1 teaspoon of brown sugar, optional, whipped cream, optional, for garnish. Instructions. Hey there coffee enthusiasts! Today, we're going to take your morning cup of joe to the next level with our orange cinnamon coffee recipe. It's easy to make and absolutely delicious. First, we'll need to prepare our flavor boosters. Grab a fresh orange and give it a good wash. Then, using a zester or a grater, zest the outer peel of the orange. We're looking to extract those flavorful oils without getting too much of the bitter white pith. Next, take a cinnamon stick and using a knife or a mortar and pestle, crush it gently to release its aromatic oils. Ah, the scent of cinnamon is so inviting. Now, let's move on to brewing our coffee. I've got a freshly brewed cup of my favorite coffee here, but feel free to use your preferred brew method. Once your coffee is ready, it's time to infuse it with our orange and cinnamon goodness. Simply sprinkle the orange zest and crushed cinnamon into your cup of coffee. If you like your coffee on the sweeter side, you can add a teaspoon of brown sugar at this point. Give it a good stir to ensure all those flavors are well incorporated. Now, for the finishing touch. If you're feeling indulgent, top your orange cinnamon coffee with a dollop of whipped cream. It adds a creamy richness that pairs beautifully with the citrusy and spicy notes. And there you have it, a steaming mug of orange cinnamon coffee ready to be enjoyed. Trust me, one sip of this aromatic brew and you'll be hooked. Absolutely divine. I hope you give this recipe a try and let me know how it turns out for you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more delicious recipes. Until next time, happy brewing.
Free ebook. Starbucks Liqueurs Coffee. The adult alcohol. Worth $5.99. Link to description. https://tinyurl.com. 3 Coffee Lover.